Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Audrey and welcome to the club. Sorry about my voice, I have been yelling all week. If you follow me on Instagram and you watched my room haul video, then you know that recently I have partnered with HomeGoods. HomeGoods is an amazing place to go to shop for your house decor, your room decor, like dorm decor. Basically, if you're looking for amazing and stylish decor at amazing prices, HomeGoods is where you go. In my room haul, you guys saw how I shop for room decor, what I look for, and how HomeGoods inspired me. And in this video, you guys are basically going to get to see my room. It's a room tour, so duh. But also, you guys are going to see how I incorporated the items I bought from HomeGoods in my room and how useful they are and how cute they are. I know you guys would rather see it than hear about it, so let's get started. So here is the entrance of my room. This is the door. And this is the collage that me and my roommates made of just all of us and all of our pictures together. And we're gonna enter the room. So first I'm gonna give you guys an overview of the room. There's a door that we just entered from. There's a bunk bed, a single bed, a big window, a fridge. Here we have 3 desks with 2 shelves. And then we have another bunk bed over here. And then we have 5 closets. Boop. So we just entered from this door, and to our left we have this board that says welcome to 5 Girl, and here is the using picture where me and all my roommates met. This is Taylor, me, Laura, there's Victoria, and there's Kat. Kat was our using lead, or one of them, and then this came with the room because we're unable to get it off, and we hang our keys right here. Now moving to the right side, here is 1 bunk bed over here. This top bunk is Taylor's bed, and she has all her crafts up there. Down here we have Victoria's bed. And then also we have storage underneath the bed, which is super handy. So from there, if you move to the left, we have my side of the room. And that is an overview. I'm going to start off with showing you guys wall decor. First off, here's my family tree that Savannah made for me. Then to the more decorated part of my wall. First, I have all my Gamma Phi Beta crafts, you know, because you gotta show off. Then I have this marbled whiteboard that I got from HomeGoods, and my friend wrote, "You are good enough" in calligraphy. Up here, we have this grid that I got, and I just got it to like hang things and, you know, add some gold to my wall to make it pop. And then I got this from New York outside of the Met, and I thought to hang it up because it's really cute to me. Overall, that's what my wall looks like. And if you remember in my Instagram stories, I said wall decor makes your room more spicy, and I just meant and add some personality to the plain and boring walls, so it's just nicer to look at, like whoosh. So this is the overview of my top shelf, and this is the one that I decorated the most because everyone can see it. Starting off with this block letter, I actually bought it from HomeGoods, but after walking around and just seeing how stylish HomeGoods items were, I wanted to spice up the block letter. So I found some fake flowers in HomeGoods and I used it to decorate my block letter. That way it just looked a little more unique. So here I have a gold frame, and I actually have a similar one here. Funny story, I actually got this from HomeGoods last year, and then it just ended up fitting perfectly with my decor because it's gold. Then I bought this gold frame at HomeGoods this year, and I really love the pink against the gold contrast. I think it just makes it pop more. And then I got this picture and I printed it off Google. I really like it. As you can see, I organized my picture frames in a way that contrasts each other from the sizes to the colors, and honestly it makes it look better in my opinion because they coordinate with each other well, but they don't look exactly the same. This was given to me by a friend, and it's perfect because it's gold and it fits my theme. It's meant to hold rings, but I just use it as decor. Then I have some glasses right here, and they're fake. Next, we have this block letter that Savannah gave to me for Christmas last year, and I love this a lot because it has gray on it, and I don't have gray on the shelf at all. So there's a really nice contrast. If you remember, I got this at HomeGoods, and it was actually in the kitchenware section, but I painted it just because I didn't want it to be clear, and so I used it to hold makeup brushes. So thank you, HomeGoods. Here's another jewelry plate that says love you to the moon. A friend actually got this for me for Christmas one year, so I just kept that because it matches my Gamma Phi Beta theme since the crescent moon is our symbol. And then here are some flowers that my mom and her girlfriend sent me, and I just love them so much. So there we go, that is my first shelf. And moving down to my second shelf, it's kind of hidden behind my pillows. So I got these gold clips at HomeGoods, and then it's helpful because then I can hang more things on my gold grid. So there's that. I have this crate from last year that I spray painted gold. Here's my Polaroid, my Gudetama that Brandon got for me, and all my perfumes, and then some sunglasses for decoration. These are the books to hold my Polaroids. This holds my change, and I just have some books and my journals back there. But that hides behind all my pillows. And so there we go. My pillows are pretty and it covers it up. Now into my bed. So here I have a pink comforter, and actually my comforter is the exact same as Laura's over there, but hers is gray. We actually have a color theme in this room. It's pink, white, gray, and gold. So as you see, like, the entire room matches that. So we're more cohesive. Anyways, back to my bed. I got this white throw blanket from HomeGoods, and everyone tells me how soft it is. And HomeGoods actually had such an amazing throw blanket section that I ended up getting 2 throw blankets because they are so soft and the prices were too good to pass up. And then these are the pillows I got from HomeGoods. I really love this one. Oh, there's my phone, it's charging. Everyone always compliments me on it. I love the texture it brings to my bed. Actually, all my pillows have different textures, which I love. It just adds some contrast and makes it look a little more unique. I'm very, very happy I got this grid pillow. I love the way it looks and it's so comfortable to lay on. And then I have a white one. So they all look different, but they all look very cute together, and I'm just very happy with how that turned out. Thank you, HomeGoods, for very cute items. Next, we have the rug that I got from HomeGoods, and I love this rug. Look at the texture of this rug. It's just so cute and it's so soft. I honestly probably should have gotten a gray one. HomeGoods had a huge rug section, so it was very hard to choose because they had so many options. Then you see the storage under my bed, and I have a ton of storage, and like, look at how far this pulls out, so I can fit so much under here. And luckily, because I have the single bed, I got extra drawers. I also brought these plastic drawers that I had last year to hold miscellaneous items, and that stays next to my bed. At the foot of my bed, I have the trash can and my hamper, so there's that. Now I'm gonna be moving on to my closet. Here is an overview of my closet here. Up there, once you're initiated into Gamify Beta, they give you a crescent with your name and your big's name. Me and all of my roommates have one, so we decided to put it above our closet so it looks very cohesive. Then I have these hooks that I got from HomeGoods. This was like one of the handiest items I bought. I love it because it gives me an extra place to hang things on because my closet is full. You know, I have a lot of stuff. Then I have this mirror that I had last year next to my door. I have this very, very handy storage cart that I got at HomeGoods. I love this cart so much because it's just so easy to move around. It's on wheels and it also holds so much. I also got these pink storage bins from HomeGoods, and it's also on the bottom. They hold so much stuff and they're also really amazing quality, so I know I'll be able to use them year and year again. Not only were they amazing quality, but they look really, really cute, and it just makes my like storage cart not look cluttery. It looks very organized and put together. So how I organize my storage cart is I put the things I use most on the top to the things I use the least on the bottom. On the top, I have my skincare items because I put that on every night. Then in this pink storage container, I have all my sheet mask and all my face masks, basically all of that. Oh, lotion. And this holds so much. I thought I wouldn't be able to, but literally it holds all of this. So shout out to HomeGoods. You rock. On my second shelf, I have all of my makeup because I use makeup not every day, and this was able to hold all of my makeup, so amazing. Now on the bottom shelf, I have the other 2 pink storage containers I bought. This container holds all my hair products because I barely ever apply heat to my hair, and then just all of my extra beauty products. Now once we open my closet door, here is an overview of my closet. So starting off with this door, here they provide you with like a rack so you can put your towel on, and then they also have a hook for you. So I have a jewelry holder here. I have my Gamify bag they gave me on bid day, and I have my backpack. Up on my top shelf, I have miscellaneous items. There's extra stuff in those boxes I've yet to unpack. That's also just a basket full of miscellaneous items. I have a shelf to my left, and I just put miscellaneous things there. I really don't know what to put there yet, so that just has random stuff. Here are my clothes, and these are my shirts, and they are color coordinated. Honestly, I was trying to pack less, but I didn't realize like how much more space I had to bring more shirts. So I may go home and just get more just because. To my left, I have this shoe rack that I got from HomeGoods, and I love this freaking shoe rack. So it comes with 2 hooks at the top, so it's really sturdy, really stable. Like, it doesn't go flimsy on me, and it holds so many pairs of shoes. And so it actually goes down farther than that, but I had to lift it up because I put my luggage under there. And then this is where I keep all my dresses. So yeah, this is my ring lights trying to come out and give you guys a show. I put it in here because like I I couldn't fit it out there. Here are the containers from last year. I don't really know what to fill it up with yet. This so far is food and this is hats. But I'm going home to get my sweater soon because this room is so cold. I might just pile this with sweaters and move all of this up there. Then I have this plastic storage container and I have this step stool because I am short and I need to reach the top of my closet. And then those are just my work shoes. They're gross, don't look at that. But there we go, that is my closet. So that is it. That is my room tour, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed seeing it. I love living here, and honestly, 5 girls living in one room may seem super overwhelming, but it's actually not. I'm living with all my best friends, so it's like insanely fun. Lastly, I just want to give out a huge shout out to HomeGoods for partnering with me and helping my room look this cute. Guys, literally every time someone comes into my room, they compliment like my wall decor, like my pillows, my throw blankets, because they are just so cute. And I always tell them, go to HomeGoods. Like, HomeGoods is key. I really hope this video helped you and inspired you. If it did, give it a thumbs up. Maybe hit that subscribe button as well. Leave a comment if you have any questions about my room. And I just love you guys so much. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Everybody get your and roll on. I know shorty and she doesn't want no slow song. Had a man last year, life